In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your GitHub profile bio with ease and efficiency. This is an important step to personalize your GitHub account, allowing others to know more about you, which can be particularly valuable if you're using GitHub for professional purposes or collaboration. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the GitHub dashboard. Ensure you're logged into your account. Otherwise, you won't be able to make any changes. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Depending on your GitHub settings, this might be your photograph, or perhaps just a placeholder image. Click on this icon, and it will reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Your Profile. Click on Your Profile to navigate to your personal GitHub profile page. This page showcases all your repositories, contributions, and the information you share publicly. It's basically your hub on GitHub and represents your digital persona in the coding community. On the left side of your profile page, there is a button that says Edit Profile. It's typically located just beneath your profile picture, so go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you can edit various aspects of your profile. Here, you'll see different fields where you can input or modify your information. These sections might include your name, location, website, and importantly, your bio. The bio is where you can announce to the GitHub world who you are and what you're all about. This is a space to add a brief description of yourself. It could include your job title, programming interests, or anything else you'd like others to know about you. Take a moment to think about the bio you'd like to have, then go ahead and fill in the field provided. Be concise yet descriptive enough to pique the interest of anyone visiting your profile. Remember, this bio forms a part of your first impression on visitors, so make it count. Once you're satisfied with how your new bio looks, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. It's crucial that you click this to ensure that all the changes you've made are saved and reflected on your profile. And there you have it. Updating your bio on GitHub, as you can see, is a straightforward process, but essential in making your profile more personalized and professional. Keep your information relevant and updated, and you'll make stronger connections with fellow developers and collaborators. Thanks for